Hello traders, welcome back to Trading Nuances. Today we had an interesting session with both Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty showing bullish momentum, but the price action hints at possible key resistance levels ahead. Let's break it all down. Nifty 50 index experienced a 0.5% increase, closing at 22,508.75 points. When you look at the sectors, financials led the gains with IndusInd Bank rising over 4% following positive remarks from the Reserve Bank of India. Metals showed strong performance, contributing positively to the index. Information technology experienced a decline due to concerns over the US economy impacting IT stocks negatively. The Nifty Auto Index rose by 0.36%, indicating a modest gain in the sector. Looking at the options data, the prominence of the 22,500 strike price in both calls and puts indicate a significant tussle between bulls and bears around this level. In summary, financials and metals were the primary drivers of the Nifty 50's upward movement, while the IT sector faced headwinds and the auto sector contributed modestly to the gains. Bank Nifty index closed at 48,354.15 points, up 293.75 points, a 0.61 percentage increase. When you look at intraday movement, the high was at 48,481.35 and the low at 48,196.1 point. The trading range was approximately 285 points. This indicates a relatively narrow intraday range, suggesting that the price action remained within a consolidation phase for most of the session. The breakouts above or below these levels in the coming sessions could set the direction for the next move. The index reached an intraday high of 48,481.35, indicating a struggle to surpass the 48,500 resistance level. Private sector banks outperformed with IndusInd Bank rising 4.71%. In contrast, public sector banks are anticipated to face greater margin pressure in the near term, potentially affecting their performance. Looking at the options data, the prominence of the 48,500 strike price in both calls and puts indicates a significant tussle between bulls and bears around this level. Final thoughts and market sentiment. Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty remain in an uptrend, but key resistance zones are nearby. Options data suggests some consolidation before a clear breakout. Stay cautious near resistance, but buy on dips if key supports hold. That's it for today's market analysis. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Trading Nuances for daily updates.